and welcome to Knowledge Seekers. Today, we will be searching for real answers on how to improve one's memory, and also be visiting 5 scientists who have done research on how to improve one's memory and retain it. Here's one of them now.
Greetings, I am Henry L. Rodiger, and I wrote Test Enhanced Learning, Taking Memory Test Improves Long-Term Retention. Students that take practice tests increase the amount of information they retain.
Rodiger suggests a mix of studying and practice testing could increase test scores and your long-term retention.
I am NS. There is a correlation between visiting and manipulating an object that helps subjects associate objects and group them, but this also creates more false positives.
This means that sometimes subjects use objects correctly, and other times subjects use objects incorrectly.
Hello, I'm Kirk I. Erickson, and my research found that exercise increases the size of the hippocampus. So about right here.
Regular exercise is recommended for anyone dealing with memory issues.
This increase is due to the increase in the brain hormone BDNF. This hormone is linked to better memory retention.
Hello, I'm Ian Spence, and I co-authored How Color Enhances Visual Memory for Natural Students. Color can have 5% increases on coding and recognition.
So by highlighting information, you increase your chances of remembering it later. This can also be an effective method when dealing with calendars and dates.
Color can even help you remember things when they're not colored. For example, I will be wearing this mask, and you'll see a significant increase in your comprehension and memory. I suggest the use of highlighters.
My name is Katharina von Kreigstein, and I co-authored Stimulation of Talking Faces in the Human Brain Involves Auditory Speech Recognition. For both groups, there was a significant positive correlation between activation and speech recognition.
This is why it is so important for students to be regularly attending class, because the teacher auditorily and visually presenting the information helps the student remember and retain the information better than them teaching themselves.
I hope you all enjoyed that thrilling episode of Knowledge Seekers, and I hope you learned something along the way as well. See, knowledge is the thing we should all remember, and we should all be able to use the information we learned here today to help us improve our memory so that we can learn it and retain it.